Hi guys, welcome back. And let's today we discuss about daily horoscopes like February 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's a weekly horoscope I'm going to tell you today. Just today we start with the February 10 Leo daily horoscopes. Welcome back. We are talking about not only this Wednesday, and this means that you will be in the center of everyone's attention. Mostly like this will happen at work, but this doesn't mean that you should bask too much into the feeling. There is time for socializing, but there is also the need for all the hard works behind it. February 10 is completed. February 11, a great day for professional advancement, but don't expect to do any practical activities because we are talking more about learning to do things or such. A good day for accumulating knowledge. This means that either you do it on your own or in the company of your colleagues. Don't be afraid. You don't be afraid to look for the solution in different places. So February 11th is completed. Coming to February 13, February 12th. Sorry, February. You seem to be entering a stage in which you need to plan more than you need to act at times, but you are inclined to do it on your own, while other times you prefer to have others close by. A co-worker will offer you a great surprise in the form of unexpected help. Your first instinct might be to refuse them, but you shouldn't do so. So February 12 is completed. February 13 is coming. If you are going to see February 13 daily horoscope, the recommendation for you today is to spend some time on your own and go through the events of the week. Whether something exceptional happened or not, you need to recap and see what you have learned. If you don't do this, some thoughts are going to arise and maybe you won't feel as happy with yourself as you should. So 13 is completed. Coming to 14. Coming to February 14, you are not in far too much efforts this Sunday, as certain things you have been worrying about seem to arrange by themselves. This doesn't mean, however, that there isn't anything for you to do. I would advise you to turn your attention to your house and to your family and spend time this environment for the best result. So this is about 14 is completed. Coming to the February, a Leo daily horoscope February 15. If I see, you will mostly like to spend most of the day wondering about the sign you do during the first part of this Monday. You may be that someone from your past has connected you, or maybe someone you like did something and you don't know how to interpret it. You are also quite proactive and seem to sort a lot of things about, but not the above dilemma. Maybe coming to February 16. Coming to the February 16 Leo daily horoscope, if you are going to see, it seems that you are talking something things you way too personal than they are intended and perhaps are acting a bit aggressively. The good news is that someone close, either a friend or someone from the family, will have the wisdom to nicely point to you in a manner you can understand it, and you have the chance to read this behavior. So this is about for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and total daily horoscopes, and it's complete. And please subscribe me. Thank you so much, and bye.